naman yung moral ng team nila despite the losses because they
In
had
a fierce showdown on the volleyball court, the rookie teams SSS Pension Protectors and Comelec Suffragettes displayed unwavering determination in their first game, lasting an intense 5 sets. Ultimately, the SSS Pension Protectors emerged victorious, triumphing over the Comelec Suffragettes with a score of 3-2 at the UNTV Volleyball League Season 2 held at Paco Arena in Manila yesterday. The match concluded with a scoreline of 21-25, 25-23, 25-23, 13-25, and 16-14. The standout performer of the game was the Thai import of the Pension Protectors, Pachari Saingwang, who unleashed 34 attacks, 3 blocks, and 4 service aces, earning her the title of Best Player of the game. Currently, the Pension Protectors hold the 6th spot with 2 wins and 4 losses, while the Suffragettes sit at 4th place with 4 wins and 3 losses.
Pinag-ensayuhan talaga namin sila, lalo na yung Maluwete nila at si Abil. Buti, nag-workout naman yung pinractice namin. Talagang pinaganda kasi nag-losing streak na kami. So kailangan talaga, mas win na talaga lahat ng games namin. So binibigay na namin talaga yung best. Talagang todo na. Sobra pa sa best.
Nawala kami sa depensa, yung mga maliliit na bagay na catch-up, kinakatch-up lang, hindi namin makuha ng maayos. So ayun, kailangan namin tuunan ng pansin yun.
Englet sets it up. Magsumbol with a block pero nakalusot. Ito si Sumalino.
In the second game, the BFP Lady Firefighters celebrated a convincing victory over the DFA emissaries, sweeping them aside in 3 straight sets with scores of 25-17, 25-16, and 25-17. Fanny Adolfo was named the best player of the game for her outstanding performance, recording 11 attacks and 5 service aces. The emissaries now find themselves in 8th place with no wins and 6 losses.
Sa ngayon, overjoyed. Talagang ang saya namin kasi talagang in-instill namin sa mga players na talagang dapat tapusin namin yung first round na maayos. Talagang, and alam namin, tinrabaho talaga eh. Talagang nag-triple effort kami, nag-triple sipag kami. Talagang ibinuhos ng mga players na talagang lalaruin nila yung dapat laruin nila.
So, assessment sa akin parang okay lang naman din. Kasi biggest adjustment yan sa lahat ng players, sa lahat ng team na pagka nawalan ka ng setter, tapos bigla kang mag-a-adjust, talagang sobrang hirap. Pero nakita ko naman, okay naman kahit paano, nai-execute nila yung mga movement na kailangan.
In the third game, the PNP Lady Patrollers emerged triumphant against the Judiciary Justice Servers, clinching victory in 3 consecutive sets and securing the top spot with 6 wins and 1 loss. The match concluded with a score of 25-12, 25-11, and 25-20, with Ces Oliveros being awarded the best player of the game for her contribution of 13 attacks and 1 service ace. The Justice Servers currently hold the 7th spot with 2 wins and 5 losses.
Binigyan namin kasi nung iba yung pagkakataon na ma-show up yung ability nila sa court. Ang teamwork nila, makikita ko andun pa rin yung teamwork bawat isa. Tuloy lang kami sa sa ensayo, game plan, yung mga error namin na pag-aralan namin yung kung paano namin ma-maintain yung mga namin sa court, yung mga sa ng mga player ko. Tuloy-tuloy lang namin sa pag-ensayo. Patuloy may game plan na kami. Magiging double card kami sa pag-ensayo para ma-perfect namin yung mga games.
Maraming elements na kailangang tignan. No? At least ngayon medyo mas gumaganda-ganda yung depensa. And then yung consistency ng game. Yun ang isang medyo kailangan bigyan namin mas malaking focus doon. And then, siguro, yung iba medyo mahabol na doon sa opensa.
Meanwhile, stay tuned for the upcoming matches in the League of Public Servants at Win in Sports, Win for Charity. On Sunday, May 5, 2024, at Paco Arena in Manila, the DFA emissaries will face off against the SSS Pension Protectors in the first game at noon. This will be followed by the AFP Lady Gunner versus Senate Lady Defenders match at 2 p.m. You can catch the action live on the social media accounts of UNTV News and Rescue and UNTV Sports. JP Nunez, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.